Everywhere I have that image to edit, so let's apply the gradient on it and go for the editing process. So for editing process we will use the extrude. We have made it. For the further we have the option to get different process. Use the different filters to get that image done. Adding the temperature, tint, air, exposure as well. Contrast it is. So it's a shadow. I have made it. Now for more we will use the gradient. Again, here is the history brush tool that will remove all the effects we have done here, and you can see the design and the picture here we have created now. So that it is.